Hello everyone, my name is Daquan Ishman and I am going to present my research project called Engineering Design Communication. Engineering Design Communication is a platform that allows engineers to have insights on potential impacts, which is a useful tool to bring to future engineering projects. This platform is used to improve the quality of a product and the safety features too. Engineering Design Communication is introduced to engineering majors within their first year of their college career. This allows students to have hands-on experience instead of sitting in lecture all day. Many platforms like SOLIDWORKS, LabVIEW, and MATLAB are introduced to students and used throughout many projects. And here are those three platforms: SOLIDWORKS, LabVIEW, and MATLAB. For my primary research, I did interviews, I interviewed undergraduate and graduate students in the engineering building at Northern Illinois University. Many students' responses was that NIU is preparing them for the professional level of engineering. Also, other students and they replied back saying that professors are giving them actual real-world problems and they have to utilize the materials that they have been taught in labs to solve those issues. Throughout my interviews, I have interviewed mostly seniors and graduate students, and that's because seniors has a big project called each year called Senior Design. Senior Design is where a group of students have to take an actual product and try to improve it, or they can invent a new product that will be beneficial to the world. The graduate students, on the other hand, they collect data for a research topic of their choice and perform tests to compare the results and for their thesis. In my results, my primary research is similar to my secondary research. I was not surprised at my result. I was not surprised at my results because many students in clubs and doing research have the labs open to them anytime, like myself. And I am doing research is in the ARM and Makerspace lab, and I have used the engineering design platforms and every day to collect recent data. The engineering design communication platform is used in right from like every engineering field and is introduced to college students, so when they enter their career field and they would know how to operate different machinery. And thank you for watching this video.